This is a grapefruit and this is a pen. And this line right here, ignore this line. And this line right here are cross contours. These lines show the 3D form of the object that you're sketching. So all you need to do is transfer these lines onto your paper. And it wasn't that easy, at least for me. Today's sketch will be simple. It'll be this leaf. Wrap the lines you draw around the curves and change the line direction as the form twists. And last but not least, go slow, even though I'm speeding this video up. I chose this leaf because it was simple, or so I thought. You can see I overemphasize the curve of the leaf, so that needs a bit of work. That being said, even though this isn't exact, it was actually fun to draw. Unlike the thousands of horrible cross-contour drawings I did before this, which you will see a few at the end of this video. I'll definitely practice this leaf until I get it right this week, and that drawing might show up in a progress video. Okay, and here are some of the sketches I practiced this week. I followed schedule 2 from this book as much as I could. I also drew a lot more sketches, but I'm just showing the ones I feel that turned out the best. I really like learning how to draw people this way. I'm motivated now and I'm not scared to practice drawing them. I also did contour sketches of buildings, even though I wouldn't normally sketch buildings this way, but I can see how this exercise will improve my urban sketches in the future. I don't like any of the gestures, but I'm okay with where I'm at right now. So far, gesture drawing is teaching me to see how off my proportions are, and it's slowly training my eye to better handle those tricky foreshortened poses, which I didn't think it would, so I'm pleasantly surprised. And finally, cross contours. Practicing these was tedious. I sketched what was in my house, actually on my desk, and a few things from photos, and I will leave the link to those photos in the description. But I can say right now, cross contours are my least favorite of the exercises that we've been introduced to so far in this book. And that's it. So I hope this video helps you get through the third exercise from The Natural Way to Draw. And until the next video, stay positive, stay creative, and be kind to yourself and others.